Hello everyone. So today we are going to go ahead and announce the giveaway winners.
Yep, but first we want to show you a little sneak peek at what's getting ready to bloom out here. Just go around real quick, show you the roses, and then we'll announce the giveaway winners here shortly at the end.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and show you who's blooming up here, because I know we have a lot of rose lovers that just want to see what's going on in the garden right now with the roses.
Yep, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and Angie's pretty much gonna give you the short tour on what's going on.
So right here behind us, we have Gertrude Jekyll climbing rose. And look at that girl. I call her a girl. This rose is just so beautiful. Just wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on right now. They just started to open up their buds, and they're just, look at that. They're just stunning. And you can smell the rose fragrance as soon as you walk out. She's just doing amazing. And pretty soon, I think she's gonna make her way out to this side of this big window, this double window. But yeah, she's filling up, and we'll make sure to do all this all overs and show you as soon as they're putting on a lot more flowers. Here, Mill on the Floss. Y'all been asking about Mill on the Floss so much. They are David Austin roses. And look at all those beautiful buds. Oh, look at that, guys. I just saw this right now. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and head to the side of the house where the rest of the roses are at. And my poor violas have been pushed aside because Ambrose is getting ready to plant that window box. So let's make our way out. And here we have another Gertrude Jekyll. How gorgeous is that?
These absolutely look amazing and they smell great.
Beautiful. And look at this. This is what I love about the roses. Someone had asked, do they bloom all the way from the bottom to top? Yes, they do. Beautiful. Let's head on to this way. Who else is doing? That's Easy Peasy Rose from Proven Winners. Full of buds. So Queen Elizabeth Rose is staying. We're going ahead and letting her be here. I can't get rid of her. And here we have Lady of Shallot, guys. Look at all that. We just planted this rose not long ago. And we're still working on things right now on this area of the garden, but here we go. This is what I'm so excited for. So this is Weasley 2008. How gorgeous is that? Starting to put on some color on those buds. This is Molyneux right here. Look at those beautiful ones. And I have them right underneath Teasing Georgia.
Now this is one I'm excited and ready for to bloom. Look at all those buds. Truly is teasing us.
And we got a clematis on this side growing.
Yep, there's a clematis growing up the top there. As you can see, Angie's holding that one there.
And I added this, when was it? Winter, around late winter?
Yep.
Or I forgot. I think in fall I added those hookeras down there. And you can see the mess here, guys. I'm pretty sure it's what it's looking like for a lot of you guys right now in spring. And then here we go. There is Darcy Bustle. And look at that. Beautiful red starting to show. Brother Godfield still, he has us waiting. And then also Easy Double Red. Oh my favorite Proven Winners rose, I have to say. And then our boys. We call them our boys. These are Harlow Carr.
Sorry about the sun
roses.
there. It's a little bright. Try to stand in the way of the sun, but you can see Harlow Carr blooming away.
We will do this all over.
Yeah, there's plenty of buds though.
Yeah. As you can see, it's filled and they'll be opening soon. So we'll go ahead and do more of a rose tour where we really get to talk a little bit more about them. And then let's not miss out, because I always forget to talk about Jubilee Celebration.
So yeah, so Jubilee Celebration, Absolutely a beautiful looking rose. Can't wait for that one to start to bloom.
Fragrance is amazing.
It doesn't have as many buds as the other ones, but it's getting there.
And the fragrance is just amazing. Also, the perennials that we planted underneath are starting to, I think this is, I always forget, it's catmint.
Cat's pajamas.
There you go, cat's pajamas. And then we have pink perfusion. This one over here showing more. We planted some pink perfusion. Serendipity alliums, and we still haven't mulched. We have other things that we're gonna go ahead and start putting in there to fill in, but we wanted to go ahead and share a little bit of what's going on. The other day on Instagram, I went ahead and put out a video about this side, and I thought, you know what, I need to go ahead and share with everybody on YouTube as well. So this is it for the little tour right now. We just wanted to show you so you don't miss out, and let's go ahead and announce the winners.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hand Angie the camera so I can go ahead and announce the winners real quick. All right, so now what everyone has been waiting for, and I'm just as excited as everybody else. I know Angie is too. So the winner on YouTube, and we did a random selection, and I'll put that up on the screen so you guys know we did it all random. The winner on YouTube is gonna be Michelle Lara. So congratulations to Michelle for winning such an amazing giveaway. I'm excited for anybody that's winning this package. And then our winner on Instagram is, I don't know if I can say this right, there's initials in there. It's JY Star. So congratulations to JY Star as well. I hope you guys enjoy this stuff that's coming to you. Just need you to reach out to us. Send us an email at GardenObsessions@gmail.com. That way we can get your email, we can send that gift certificate immediately to you, and then the other stuff will come by mail. But very exciting. We're happy that we can be able to do this giveaway because it's something that we've been wanting to do for quite some time, and show of appreciation for all of our subscribers and followers as well.
So I know the little tour was really a very small tour, and but we'll as they start to bloom, all the roses and everything else, it starts to.
Definitely gonna do a tour when they all start to bloom, because I know it gets very exciting when we see everything bloom at once, and that's something that we're actually waiting for, to do a complete rose tour. I know we still got one in the front too that we didn't show, and another one that is starting to show some bloom, which is Olivia Rose. So
they're all full of buds. So once again, thank you so much, for everybody that participated in the giveaway, and congratulations to the winners. We're very happy for you guys.
All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next video.